So 2018 was a massive year for myself and Emily. We embarked on our biggest travel journey to date. I guess the best way to show you is to take you right back to the start. So, today is the last day of 2017. It is New Year's Eve.
In a Jeep at Gala National Park.
Fasten your seatbelts as we take you along with us on the most adventurous year of our lives. After spending Christmas and New Year's in Southeast Asia, we came back home to Australia. We said goodbye to our friends and family before we set off on a one-year journey across Europe. Our first stop, Dubai. So we're about half an hour from Dubai.
That is Iceland.
I see through the light, no more disguise. The scenery's crashing down to let all the truth be found. Didn't belong, had to move on to somewhere that I could be. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt before. Beyond the lights of society that would kill it. Right now I found myself out of my head.
She's coming up to the goal. Goal.
Behind us just looks like any ordinary football field, soccer field. Nothing
Green
really
pitch.
that great. There's some old bloody wooden things around. But must I tell you, this is probably the most coolest football field in the whole entire world. And we'll show you why right now. Stockholm, Sweden, Slovenia, Estonia, Bratislava, Bosnia, Croatia,
Mykonos, Budapest,
Barcelona, Portugal, Wrocław.
Wrocław. We'll get there eventually.
is something that you can't learn from a textbook. It's something that you have to experience firsthand. Moments in time that give us real life experiences and change the way that we see the world. So after being away for almost a year, we decided to make our journey back home. "2018 was such a year to remember, and we cannot wait to see what 2019 holds."
My spirit's awake, I don't feel the same. So many people here, but somehow